US dollar under selling pressure, moving within free fall mode. That's quite good, right? So guys, the dollar's been under pressure very much throughout this week. Why? Well, at the start of this week, we had a lot of risk appetite in the markets because markets saw some light at the end of the tunnel, as the saying goes, because there was some stats to showing that there's perhaps a slowdown in the rate at which cases have been rising with regards to COVID-19 within Europe's hotspots. If we look at the likes of France, Italy, Spain, been a clear, a notable slowdown, which the markets have run with quite well because equities have been buoyant in Europe and in the US on this. Now, with that being said, dollar peers, some of the riskier currencies have taken this to their advantage and outperforming the dollar, the greenback firmly. If you look at the likes of Euro, GBP, Aussie, Kiwi, all these currencies, the more riskier ones have been very much buoyant and taking advantage of that weakness. And as I pointed out in a blog post earlier this week, we had this rising wedge structure, or more so bearish flag as an evening star, and then some selling triggered earlier this week, late on Monday, continued through the rest of the week, and we've seen that downward pressure, that psychological 100 mark being smashed to the downside. Guys, look, one last thing actually as well. Something that also contributed to the dollar weakness was the FOMC on Thursday announcing another form of stimulus, another form of flooding the market with dollars, diluting the market with dollars, which, at the end of the day, it's a dollar negative, right? Obviously, they're trying to support the economy, of course, but it's another form of QE, this lending program that they announced, this whopper lending program, as we covered in our last blog post. Guys, look, fundamentals, technicals, fundamentals, technicals, fundamentals, technicals. We do this every day. Freaknetwork.io. Please do not hesitate. Check out our membership or check out our Forex Fundamentals course at forexfundamentals.io. Other than that, let's get it.